looking for a beauty drink that will give you a glowing skin, better digestion, and natural energy, this creamy tiger nut drink is a game changer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy tiger nut milk that will nourish your body from inside out. So to make this tiger nut milk, we'll start by washing the tiger nut to remove any dirty or sand. Soak it overnight to soften. Then when you are done soaking, so into the blender, I'm going to be adding all the ingredients except the banana. Add enough water. Please don't add too much water to avoid diluting the flavor of the drink. Then blend until smooth and creamy. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to be using a chiffon cloth to sift to get the smooth drink. So when I'm done sieving the tiger nut milk, I'll be using some of the tiger nut milk to blend the banana. Then pour the blended banana mixture into the tiger nuts. Mix, add your ice cube and serve. This tiger nut coconut beauty drink will help to nourish your skin, boost your energy, and keep you feeling fuller.